Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Destiny 2 Renegades game stuck on loading screen or not loading error on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to check system requirements. So what you need to do is go to the store option on Steam. After that search for the game and then go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option over here. Now click on exit, and after that click on the Windows icon and then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Now after that check if you can play the game. If not, then next method is to modify launch options. So for that go to Steam. Now click on the library section. Here select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now after selecting, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -d x11 and then launch the game and check. If it doesn't work, again come back, type -d x12 and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If this also doesn't resolve, come back, remove this launch option and move to the next solution. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers to the latest version. After updating, try to launch the game. Nvidia and AMD users, just go through the link I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to first select the game application and double click on it. If this launches the game, well and good. If not, then you have to run the game as administrator. For that select the game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility. Here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't help, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Now click on apply and OK. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's launching or not. If the issue still occurs, come back and deselect all of these and click on apply and OK and then move to the next solution. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection. Now click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If not, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application and after that add it to the list. After adding it, here you have to select your game. Make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, then click on OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that go to the Windows search over here, search for task manager. Now under processes tab you have to search for those apps which are running in the background but is of no use. You simply have to select them. Now after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. Once done, this will completely close the app from the background. After that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if any update is there. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files on your browser. Now once the website opens, go below and here you have to click on the link. After it is downloaded, you have to open it and then you will get an option of repair or install option. So simply you need to click on repair option if you have, and then wait for some time. Now you will get a setup successful message. Close this. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and check whether you can play it or not. If not, next method is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Now click on Settings, then click on Advanced, then click on Change. Now here you have to select your game where your select the drive where your game has been installed. Now here select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option. Now click on settings. Now click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, now launch the game and check. Similarly, GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. Next solution is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So if it's so, then it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next solution is to perform a clean boot. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Now this will open system configuration page. Here you have to click on services tab and then select hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. Once done, now go to startup tab, click on open task manager. Here also you have to select the application one by one and then click on disable option. Once done, click on OK and then restart your PC once and then try to play the game and check whether it's opening or not. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for graphics settings. Now after it opens, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now you have to select the game application and add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Now after selecting high performance, launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Destiny 2 Renegades game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Destiny 2 Renegades game on your PC and then click on the play button and check whether it's launching or not.